This is Dwayne Mooney. This is what I want to show you. What you'll be learning in class. This is a perfect example. I don't use this line. Just happens to be here. It's on a demo account that I want to show you. As I'm in these trades, I want to open this up a little bit and actually show you what I'm doing. I announced this. I'm in a sell trade. In other words, I believe it's going down. It went up, of course, right here. Let's see, right here, this area right here would have been a good time to get in on riding it up. This is when I like to catch it. That was a good point to ride it up. Right now, it went up here. Now it's a good time to ride it down. Okay, that's that trade, to write it down. You see it there. I'm also in Australian US. Let's look at the Australian here. Let me open it up. Again, got in here, and now it's coming down. Okay, that trade is coming out. I'm in a sell trade. If you can see, Euro, sell Australian. You see the Australian US is in. I got in the Australian Swiss a little early, but it's going to come down. That's that one I just showed you. And then we're in a Euro British pound here. And usually I don't get in. Again, that's sometimes that comes up. I'm not looking at that. What happens is sometimes it comes. I want you to look at this. I'm trying to get delete this indicator because I don't look at it. I don't look at that either. So as you can see, you know the way I do it. I look at where's the support. I saw it hit here, so I jumped in it and look at it starting to go up. That's that Euro British pound right now that I'm in. Should have got in more than one trade, but I just got in one. And it's this will be way over 200, 300 by tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you guys on a demo account how it does. So I just got in these same trades on demo account. I did it in a real account too. And I just got in them to show you what you'll be learning, when to get in this trade, when to get in this trade, why we get in it. Okay? Because if I'm looking at resistance, I will put support right here. That's support. So I'll write it down to here. That's what I want to do. 271.38. That'll be my first take profit in this area. Right here. That's the trading area right here. And right now we're catching it at the top and we're going to ride it down. And then when it hits around here, we'll ride it back up. And we just go back and forth. I really am tuned into how to make money with this stuff. Like here, look at the British pound, US. See, now that may go up right here. Put it here. But I'm not sure. It'll probably go up. Again, I'm not. That's the British pound. I didn't get into that. See, it would have to be. It may be a good trade. That's 15-minute chart. Let me go to the hour. See, the day chart is coming down. See, that was a 15-minute chart. It looks like it's going up. I don't want that. It's going to come down to into this area, most definitely. But I wouldn't even look at the, I'm looking at the 4-hour. I see it's coming down. And obviously, if I was looking at British pound, I would have definitely got in the trade. I just wasn't looking at it this morning. But that was a great trade on the ride down because, again, if you look at here, 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 right here, it's telling you it's getting ready to come down. Look, it went from here all the way up. It's hit this area 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, coming down. Okay, so I just wasn't looking at the Euro US. Again, this one I would not have gotten in, Euro US. British Pound, definitely one I missed. But I caught, just what I wanted to do was catch some other pairs I usually don't get in. Even though I got in August, Australian US, to show you the Euro, British Pound, and the Australian Swiss. As you can see, it's coming down. That's how I trade. Again, the Australian Swiss. Where is it? Here it is. Obviously, it's going up. Oh, am I in a sell trade? I'm in a sell trade. Obviously, it's going to come down. And it looks like if I open it up, you can see, I get rid of this line. You can see, if I turn it to the 4-hour chart, you see what's going on. It's on its way down. So I'm going to show you how to read it correctly. These are the points, all this area. Here, all up in here, you see it. If you look at these candles, they all close, and I'll explain that, up under even the tails or the candle part, the wick, went up. Look where it closed in this area. So you can see that's the resistance area. And now it's coming down. And you see it's going to come down. It'll be in profit. It'll probably come down, we know, to this area. Okay? So that'll be about 100 pips that will be made. So I'm going to show you how to read it, how to look at these charts, and really, again, being a pattern recognition trader, being a price action trader, I don't use indicators. I just want to go over, how I do it. And of course, it's continuing to go up. And this is what's going on. This is what, and you see even that's starting to come down. If I go to, I wish I would have got in the British Pound. I just wasn't looking at it for some reason. I was looking at other trades. You see that's going up. Caught it at the bottom. See that's going up. And that's what's going on. Okay? So just wanted to show you a little bit of that as we look at what you'll be learning. And I'll show you. I know you see the screen. What is he talking about? You traders, if I go to the day chart, this is the 4-hour chart. Each candle represents 4 hours. If I go to the day chart, each candle represents 12 hours. And you see British Pound dollar is about to go up if I look at the British Pound. So I may be getting out of this. No, I'm in the buy. Yeah, that's going up. So that's what I'm looking at. If I got out of any of them, it would be the Australian Swiss. Because I don't really trade this one a lot. No, I'm not getting out. I know that's going down. I know that's going down. I'll be staying in that. So that's what I'm looking at. I just want you to see what's going on when you get ready for my training. That starts August 3rd and 4th. Not August. October 3rd and 4th. And also we go into October 9th, 10th, and 11th. And it will be an intensive. And you'll learn my strategy and what I'm looking at. Okay? And how I trade is very simple. Okay? Very simple. Okay, see that's retracting a little bit, but it's about to drop. It's going to drop. That's this one here. It's going to drop. So that's right now you see it going up. It'll probably go back up into this area, or it's ready to drop now. I'm not sure, but it'll probably go back into this. I'll stay in it because I believe it's going to drop based on the past history of what it's done in this area. Okay, and that's how I trade. Okay, so that's it. Dwayne Mooney, Forex Success Club. Happy trading.